How to deposit or withdraw on Binance Exchange. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Binance, and today I'll guide you on how you can deposit or withdraw on Binance. Now, first thing first, how to deposit via P2P on Binance. Simply you want to access your account and then click on the deposit option. Then you want to select the P2P trading option. Once you have done so, you want to select the cryptocurrency you want to buy, the currency you will purchase it with, and the payment method you'll be using. Then you want to browse through the list of available sellers, check their rates and terms. Simply select a seller and follow the provided instructions to make the payment through the agreed upon method. After the seller confirms receipt of payment, the cryptocurrency will be released to your Binance. Similarly, if you want to buy it with cash, you can simply tap on the particular crypto and select buy crypto. So you can simply access your Binance account and then click deposit and select buy crypto, right? Once you've done so, you want to specify the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase, the currency you will buy it with, and the amount you want to spend. You can choose from various payment options such as credit or debit cards, and then you can go ahead and purchase. Now, in order to deposit crypto to Binance, you can simply access your Binance account and then click on deposit. Then you want to select the deposit crypto option. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, select the network for the deposit and make sure that it matches the network you are sending the crypto from. Then copy the deposit address provided by Binance and then go to the platform where your crypto is stored and paste the Binance deposit address and then initiate a transfer. Now, how you can withdraw crypto? Simply access your account, hover over the account icon in the upper right corner and select Assets option. Once you select the assets, you want to simply click on Withdraw and select the cryptocurrency that you want to withdraw. Input the receiving address you want to send your crypto to and select the correct network. Then you can verify and then you can withdraw it. So this is how you can deposit, buy or withdraw on Binance. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.